guys, I am going to show you today how to use OBS in laptop and computer. So let's start it by settings. So here is our general settings. Here we can change the theme. I will recommend you to put it dark because it will be correct for you. And output. Do not do any changes. Source element snapping. So I recommend this will automatically done in your computer. And projectors, if you have a projector, then connect to it by your laptop or computer, then it will show here. System tray means minimize to system tray when started, means it will minimize, it will hide in there when you started the recording. So let's head again. Preview, hide overflow. Okay, overflow means your laptop is still here and here, it is showing till more than that. Importer means search no location for scene collection when importing, means when you are importing a video or some images, it will automatically know that file location on your laptop or computer. Studio mode, I will show you studio mode afterwards. So let's head. Multi-view, like the big gamers try to multi-view, they have 2 to 3 screens. In one screen they record, or two screen they record, and in one screen they store, they play because they don't want to get the lag on their game. That's why they don't do that. So I recommend you have the better PC, then record on one monitor like I am doing in every video. So let's head to stream. So guys, streaming, if you are a YouTube gamer, then change it to YouTube gaming, then select on YouTube gaming. Primary YouTube ingest server means you are selecting a new you are selecting some new things, and you don't stream back, you have don't streamed never. So select the primary YouTube ingest server. If you have streamed in your laptop with this OBS and you have deleted and then installed, then do backup YouTube ingest server. I have not done any stream, that's why primary YouTube ingest server. So I have not put it the stream key. I will show in the next video. So guys, I will request you to subscribe my channel and like this video. For the next video, comment me how to do the next things and tell me how to get it better. So the outputs, I have the video bitrate automatic setup and the encoder will automatic setup. Audio bitrate also be automatic, but encoder preset, you have to choose it whether you want ultra fast, super fast, very fast, or slower, slow, medium. So I have keep it to in fast because when I play a game and record, it lags too much. In the last, when you stop the video, it will take some time to encode the video. Like so I pause the video that time, then it will encode. So I am here recording already is my path. You have to select and create your own path. And here's my recording quality. High quality means medium file size. Always choose your format MKV because it is better to record. And here's your everything. So let's head to audio. My sample rates are 4.1 hertz, and desktop audio is my this. Desktop second audio is disabled, and my microphone is this from where I am speaking. Meter decay rate fast is automatic. This all will be happening. If you have a second monitoring device like the big gamers who record the videos in 2-3 screens, so here will be your thing, advanced monitoring device like 2-3 screen connected to your laptop or computer, and they display this settings and the OBS studio. The the YouTubers don't uh, see see it in the middle of the game. And next comes hotkey. Hotkey enable push to mute. So I also don't know what to do with this. So let's head to the next video. So here is our bass canvas resolution. So I will keep the resolution good, and output scale resolution is also good, but downscale resolution filter should be low sometimes. And if you have a good PC, better PC in nowadays, then you can keep the common FPS value 60. But I have some old PC, old laptop, so I have kept it till 30. So it record good on 30 also, but it affects my gaming also. So next come hotkey. From here you can start recording and start streaming and stop streaming by pressing the keys. Like I have kept on start recording and stop recording F3 and F4, and pause recording and unpause recording F6 and F7. So these all will not show any keys. You have to set it by your own. Like now. Okay, let's go to advanced. In the advanced option, here is our file name formatting. It will automatically set the date and the percent of it, how much it is. Process priority. It is already normal. My video setting says direct 3D11. It will automatically set up your render color format, color space, and color range. So don't need to do anything because I'm recording now, that's why I can't change anything to show. Override if file exists. If the video is getting more, then it will overwrite it, or automatically removes to MP4. It will convert the video to to MP4, but I don't want to do it in MP4 because some changes will happen. So I recommended to keep everything better. So stream delay, this will be automatic. Automatic reconnect will automatic, and the network will also be automatic. Source, enable browse source hardware acceleration. This will also in your PC laptop. Hotkey, never disable hotkey. This is also automatic. So I have changes. Okay. So here is everything. So now I am going to show you studio mode. So guys, here is your studio mode. In the other PC, the studio mode is there. So here is everything. You can do cut or fade or transition. Everything you want to do is here. And after that, you can do, here are more scene. I am recording in my scene. Display capture. Here are many of them. So there are audio input capture, means what you are telling that will be captured in your video, and audio output capture, in that what your PC is uh, audioing, that will also be captured in the video. Browser will go in the Google, that's the all. Color source, you can color your video screen on recording. Display capture, that's what I am doing now. It will capture the whole display. So now game capture. Here game capture, you have to write okay and capture any full screen application. So you don't do this. Capture specific window. So the window will be Xbox. No, not this. It is not showing now, so I will not show it. This is all, so I will remove it here. Okay, so image, what you want to show in the middle of the video that you are recording, it will show in the middle of that second. Image slideshow means you are not recording, it will slideshow like this and this. It will come from up and left and right. So next is media source. From this, the other monitors are captured. They are connected by the VGA wire or HDMI cables, yeah, or ESATA wires, like that. So the gamers do like that to connect this multi-screen function. Scene, this is also like the media source, but this is here. It will do second screen, but it don't work also. Then next is text, GDI plus. Here you can text on your video that you're recording. So next is video capture. Video capture means you can capture your face by your web camera or laptop camera. So next is Windows capture. It is like here it's automatically capturing WinStore, Microsoft Store, like here, and Xbox console companion. So capture method is automatic. So I will not prefer you to do this. I will say to do display capture only. So next come group. You can keep all this thing in a group. And next is text free type 2. This is also like the text GDI plus. So guys, thanks for watching. Like my channel, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos and comment me for the next video. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.